Welcome to our journey through the heart of America, where every mile is an adventure waiting to unfold. Join us as we explore the highways and byways of this vast and diverse land, discovering hidden gems, roadside attractions, and lesser-known destinations along the way. Hey there, fellow road trippers! Today we're embarking on an epic journey across America, and we're taking you along for the ride. But before we hit the road, let me share some tips and tricks to help you plan your own unforgettable road trip. First things first, map out your route. While highways are convenient, don't be afraid to veer off the beaten path and explore the back roads. That's where you'll find the true essence of America, in its small towns, scenic overlooks, and quirky roadside attractions. As we cruise down these winding roads, we encounter a treasure trove of hidden gems, from charming bed and breakfasts nestled in the countryside to mom-and-pop diners serving up mouth-watering comfort food. Every stop along the way adds to the tapestry of our adventure. One of the best parts of road tripping is meeting the locals and hearing their stories, so don't be shy. Strike up a conversation with the folks you meet along the way. Who knows? You might stumble upon a hidden gem that's not in any guidebook. Of course, no road trip is complete without visiting some of America's iconic roadside attractions. Whether it's the world's largest ball of twine or a museum dedicated to UFO sightings, these quirky landmarks are guaranteed to make your journey memorable. And finally, don't forget to pack your sense of adventure. Road tripping is all about embracing the unknown and stepping out of your comfort zone. So, pack light, leave room for spontaneity, and get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this epic road trip across America. Until next time, happy travels!